I run an exclusive school especially designed for unique young people like yourself. At first, it may take a little adjustment, but you will find the peace and quiet refresh the mind, as well as the spirit. Like they say in the good book, only in the wilderness is man made pure again.
Who are these freaks?
Why are you here?
Because my parents lied to me. Did your parents?
Told me I was coming here for the new semester.
Dr. Sherman said he was going to strive for clarity in the next 2 weeks.
So what does that mean?
I'm not going to school in this place.
Oh, yes, Miss Holcomb, I'm afraid you are.
Playtime's over.
Got to get out of here.
Dr. Sherman taught you a lesson today. I hope you will listen.